Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back with me WNU. Now I'm gonna make a bootable disk that can make you upgrade or install your Windows 10. So what you need is of course a flash disk, USB flash drive, and then a laptop or a computer, and then the ISO file of the Windows 10. So now what you have to do first is of course you have to have the ISO file of the Windows 10. So we have to go to the official website of the Microsoft Windows. So we open up the Google. Okay, now we search here is a Microsoft. Okay, I'm gonna type Microsoft. Okay, I'm sorry, I just gonna see it. Okay, wait a moment. Microsoft Create. Okay, this one. Microsoft Creation Tool. Okay, let's click that one. And then you will find several option, and you click the top one, this one, the downloading Windows 10 disk image or ISO file, because we gonna need the ISO file. Okay, now after you see something like this, and then don't click this one, the update now, but you scroll down, you scroll down until you find create Windows 10 installation media, and then you click this one, the download now button. Okay, after that it will download media creation tool.exe, and then after it finish you just have to run it. Okay, now it almost finished. I'm gonna click and I'm gonna run it. Okay, something like this. Yes, and then wait, you can minimize this one. Okay, you will see something like this, getting a few things ready. So because we need to download the ISO file, you have to follow this step one by one. Okay, closely. Okay, you have to follow this step very carefully, I mean. Okay, just wait because it needs times to load. Okay, this is a moment. It depends on your internet speed, because here I'm on a village, so there's no okay, it's already done. Now you just have to accept it and then wait a little more. It depends on your internet speed and to your laptop, hardware of the hardware of your laptop. Because I use this one, my mini laptop, so the hardware is not too powerful. It use Intel Celeron, something like that. But if you had the better spec of your PC or your laptop, it will be much faster. Okay, so just be patient because we need this. We need this step to complete our bootable disk. You can fast forward my video, okay, but I just have to wait because I will we need to see the step clearly one by one, because it's really important. We have to make sure that we didn't, take the wrong step, and we cannot download the right ISO file, something like that. Okay, this one. There is two options here. So what do you want to do? The top one is upgrade this PC now, and the bottom one is create installation media, USB flash drive, DVD or ISO file. Okay, so we need the ISO file, so we choose the bottom one. Okay, this one. Okay, and then we click next. And then by default, the language is English, the edition is Windows 10, of course, and the architecture is, the 64-bit. So if you want to change, maybe the language, something like that, and then the architecture, you want to boot or 32-bit, something like that. But I just keep it default, I just keep it default. And then we just click next. Okay, this we will come to this, choose which media to use. Okay, there's two options here, USB flash drive or ISO file. Make sure you click the ISO file, because we will need the ISO file. If you choose the USB flash drive, you have to plug your USB first, and then it will burn to your USB, and USB become a bootable disk right away. But it will increase the probability to be corrupt, because the file is big. It's about 8 gig. So if we choose the ISO file, we will need the third app to burn the image, burn the ISO file to this bootable disk. So we will use that option. Okay, just choose this one, the ISO file, the bottom one, and then click next. And then you can select the folder that you will save the ISO image. Okay, I will just save in my document, and then I will make a new folder that name win, something like that. Okay, and then we just open it up, and then maybe the file name we change it to Windows 10. Okay, something like that. Just wait, I cannot find the zero button. Okay, something like that. Okay, now just save it. Now as you can see, it will show you the progress from 0 until 100%, and then after it finishes, you can close it, but because I already downloaded the file, so I don't have to wait until it finishes. So I'm just gonna close it now. Okay, make sure you finish it, from 0 until 100%. Now I'm just gonna close it, because I already have the file. I will show you where is the file. Okay, now I'm just gonna close it. Okay, now I will take the file from my hard drive. Now I will show you. Okay, now I'm gonna just wait until it. Okay, I'm just gonna minimize it. Okay, now I will show you the file that I already downloaded. Okay, I put it here, as you can see. Put it in my hard drive, and then this is that one, the Windows 10 Pro ISO image. Okay, this image file, this is my file. And then the third app that I mentioned earlier is this one, the Rufus, the Rufus. But if you don't have it yet, you can download it. Okay, we just come to the website of the Rufus. Now I'm gonna search it. You can search it here. You just type Rufus. Okay, and then click this one, the top one, create bootable USB drives. It will open up the Rufus website where you have to download the Rufus file. Now, if you want to change the language, just go to the top right corner. If you want to the another language, maybe Chinese, Arabian, something like that. If you want to keep it that way, just click this one, the English, yeah, the international language, and then just scroll down until you find the download option of the Rufus file. Yeah, this one, you click this one, the Rufus 3.20. Just click it, and it will show you in the bottom left the Rufus X, yeah, file, and then you just have to open it. Yeah, you just have to open it and then click yes. I'm sorry, and then just you have to minimize this one, and then after that it will show the Rufus option. Yeah, make sure in the device menu you see the name of your USB flash drive. Yeah, if I already set the name Windows 11 for my USB flash drive, and then the boot selection, just leave it that way, this or ISO image, and then now we have to click this one, deselect. Yeah, we have to select the ISO image that we already downloaded before. Just click it, and then find where you put the the ISO image of your Windows 10. Just gonna open it up. Okay, here, yeah, this is my ISO image and Windows 10 Pro. Just click it and then click open. Okay, and image option, standard Windows installation, keep it that way. And this one, partition SIM. If you have your computer or your hard disk or SSD of your computer is in GPT, just keep it GPT. But if it in MBR mode, yeah, just click the or choose the MBR option. Now I'm just gonna choose the maybe the GPT, yeah, because there's the command of the file, the GPT option. Now after that, the volume label, you can change the name and make it to your own name, maybe Win 10 Pro, Win 10 Pro, something like that. You just can change the Windows label, and then file system FAT32, keep it that way. Cluster size, keep it that way. After that, you just have to click this one, start. Okay, just click OK, and then just click OK. Now it will show you the status, yeah, how many percent the file already complete, yeah, something like that. Just wait until it full, and then you will have your installation media. Because I already do it before, so I just gonna cancel it because it will take about 10 minutes. Okay, I'm just gonna cancel it, but you have to wait until it full, and you see the word finish here. Okay, and then now I'm just gonna cancel it because I already have the bootable disk. Okay, yeah, I will show you my bootable disk. Yeah, I already make it before my bootable disk. Now what we have to do after we have this one is we install our bootable disk to our PC, yeah, or our laptop. I'm gonna show you. Okay, now I'm just gonna I'm gonna turn my laptop off, and then we will see if our bootable disk work or not. Okay, I'm just gonna eject my media first, then we will see if our bootable disk works or not. Okay, I already turned off the laptop. So now I'm just gonna plug my, bootable disk that I already made before. As you can see, yeah, I already plug it in. Now we just gonna have to turn on the laptop and go into the BIOS mode. So I'm gonna click the F2 because this is Asus laptop. As you can see, I'm click the F2. So okay, it already go to the BIOS. Now we just have to find the boot option, and then we change the boot priority to UEFI Kingston data. Yeah, this one. Okay, that we already made before. Now I'm gonna click and change it to the UEFI Kingston data. Okay, it already changed to UEFI Kingston data. Now just click, F10 to save and exit, and then leave it that way. It will, we will see if our bootable disk works or not. Okay, just wait, yeah, until it boot again, and let's see if our bootable disk works or not. Just wait a moment. If it's work, it will go to the Windows installation media. Okay, I think it's work. It already loading the file. Yeah, just wait, and then let's see if it's work. As you can see, it wait the moment. Yeah, it not show yes. Okay, it works. As you can see, this is the Windows installation media. Yeah, already work. Okay, thank you for watching. Yeah, how to install it, maybe I just gonna make the it on the next video. Okay, thanks for watching. Ciao ciao.